Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I said I would make this little video here. So, all right, I want to go through number 13A, the first 13A as opposed to second or third. But anyway, here we go. So if you look at this one, all right, so what I did is, since P was, this is a natural log, since P was negative, I get a negative natural log of this, of T squared plus C. Then I flip the sign, I multiply by -1. Eat it, so I got 10 minus P is CE to the negative T squared. And then all I did then is, since P was negative, I just flip-flopped these. So I made it P is 10 plus this. Now you realize C becomes negative, but we don't care about that. So P is 10 plus CE to the negative T squared. Okay, for this one we're going to use parts. U is 10x, dV is x minus 21 to the 1/2 power. I integrate this, so it's 3/2 and 2/3. Here it's 10. So I get 20/3 x. No. Yeah, I'm sorry. UV is 20/3 x minus VDU, or 20/3 x times x minus 21 to the 3/2 power. Then if the product of these two gives me 20/3 times x minus 21 to the 3/2 power, and I have to integrate that, and that is negative. So when I integrate this, it becomes x to the 5/2, and I get 2/5, so 2 times this is 20, or it's 40/15. So I guess I could simplify this to be, what, 8/3. So I guess that would be 8/3, and make sure you have your plus C. Okay, for this last one, I want you to understand you don't need parts. Because if I pick this for U, this is a multiple of its derivative. So if I did simply a U is equal to x cubed minus 21, ds, just because it's a product does not mean it requires parts. So I wanted to go back and make sure we did one of those. So du is 3x squared dx. I don't quite have that, but I have 10/3 of it. Okay? So this becomes U to the 1/2, and then I have 10/3 du, so I've just rewritten that. So now when I integrate that, that becomes U to the 3/2, and then out front I still have my 10/3, but I have its reciprocal, which is 2/3 also. So what does that become is 20/9, and then it's x cubed minus 21 to the 3/2 power. Oop, you couldn't see that. I'm sorry. Wow. So what I picked this as U. This was du is 20/3, so I rewrote this as 10/3 U to the 1/2 du, so that becomes U to the 3/2, and I get a 2/3 out front. Plus some random and arbitrary constant. Okay? All right. So we're going to go do the last one, the logistic. All right, so if I look at, actually I'm going to end this video right now.